How about the Patriots? They're going to visit Buffalo this weekend. When you look at what Tom Brady has done against the Buffalo Bills, look out Buffalo. He has been absolutely spectacular in his career. Look at that. 26-3. 66 touchdowns, 20 picks. It's a lot of games. See the yards, completion percentage, and the passer rating. Absolutely has owned this team since beginning his career in New England. Now, Sean McDermott, the head coach of the Bills, discussed the importance of a few of the players on defense and what they have to do to try to stop QB12.
Probably not only just the safety spot, really, Vic. You know, the entire defense. It's the game within the game for the positions that are like quarterback on defense, the middle backer position, the safety position. You know, those are important positions in terms of how we run things, how things look, the game within the game, one down after another, what happens before the ball is snapped. I think that's the cerebral part of the game. That's important.